Greetings, class. Today you're going to be working on the visual timeline of Rome. You received this worksheet yesterday during class, and there are 3 steps to it, and you're actually going to skip the second step. Over here is a copy of the worksheet. The first thing you're going to do with your textbooks, working individually, is look up all these different events in Rome's history. They go in chronological order from earliest to most recent. You're going to describe each event briefly, identify roughly when it took place, looking for years. You can use the book or the Google for that. And then identify why each event matters. What is the big picture? Why do we talk about it today still? After you've done step 1, which is finding out all this information on your own, you are then going to skip part 2. There's no need to do that part. And you're going to proceed to part 3, where you are going to make a visual timeline of these events. You'll take one of the big sheets of paper that's in the front of the room. You'll turn it sideways, so the long way, and you'll draw a horizontal line from left to right across the middle. And then you will place each of these events in the correct spot on that line. Earliest events on the left-hand side, more recent events on the right-hand side. You will label each event, put down the year that it took place, and then draw a captivating image that represents that event in Rome's history. You do not need to rewrite the description or the significance on your visual timeline. You'll have the entire hour to work on this, and you're allowed to use your phones during work time to listen to music if you choose to do so. This visual timeline of Rome is due Friday at the start of class. If you finish early, you should work on your Unit 3 study guide for Greece and Rome.